Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows upgrade error code 8007001F-0x4000D that you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. This is general failure. A device attached to the system is not functioning. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I'm going to recommend doing, if you had any USB devices like new flash drives perhaps you just put into your computer and now you start seeing these problems, I would suggest removing them from the device or try putting them into a different USB port and see if that perhaps resolves the problem, or try plugging it into a different computer and make sure it's not corrupted. Something else we can go through as well would be through a couple different command line prompts. So open up the search menu and type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on it and then select run as administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a couple commands in the description of my video. First one's going to be a system file checker utility scan. So go ahead and copy that and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit and then paste it in. Hit enter to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that one is finished running, go ahead and copy the second command from the description of my video and then paste it into the command prompt as well. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.